we're gonna make barbecue rib today. We're gonna use like around a little bit over a pound of baby back rib, and we have to make the barbecue sauce right now. We're gonna use like three tablespoons of ketchup and 3 tablespoons of wholesome sauce. Then we need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And couple teaspoons of cooking wine, and half teaspoon of fried spice powder. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you mix that up. Also, we also need half teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I think that's it. Then after you mix them up, and you put them in ribs to marinate them overnight. Then you put them in it like that, like maybe like that. Then you save these because we're gonna put them in the oven to bake them. Halfway done, we're gonna put some more on those sauces in it. So you save some of them, and you're just using some of them for the rib right now. See, you marinate them like that. Okay. But at the meantime, I got some already marinate them last night. So we're gonna cook this. And we put it in we cook them in a little pan like that. And we cover up with foil. Then we put it into the oven for 450 degrees for like around 30 minutes. And if you're using a big oven, you only need to set it like 350. But small oven, they don't get enough power, so you have to turn it higher. So now we set it like 30 minutes. Okay. Then we have to wait for that then. Okay, that's about half an hour, so we put more sauce on it. Then you open up and you brush more sauce on it. This side. Okay. And now we don't have to cover, let it cook for Probably 15-20 minutes. Okay. And put on boiling. So okay, now it's about 20 minutes and should be done. Then we're going to spray some honey on it, just a little bit, and you brush some right there. Oh, that. That's barbecue ribs.